The MECREGEN system is built around the magnetic chamber. What is the magnetic chamber? The chamber is composed of two permanent magnets and one opposite pole electromagnet. The two permanent magnets are placed at opposite ends of the rail system with the opposite pole electromagnet in the middle. The magnetic chamber is where the magnetic field interacts, producing motion. Similar magnetic poles repel. Pushing up, the electromagnet changes poles, pushing down. Up, down, turning the crankshaft. Turning the crankshaft, a half stroke. Up, down. Up, down. Adding multiple magnetic chambers together, the energy output increases. Turning the crankshaft gives access to potential energy. The increase in energy is the key to renewable energy. The turning of the crankshaft produces motion. That motion is energy, kinetic energy. That energy is divided into operational and power. The operational energy is used to power the MECREGEN system. The power energy is used to power a generator for electricity or to power transportation or equipment. The MECREGEN system starts with electricity that is converted into motion by the magnetic chamber. The force of motion, kinetic energy, is increased by the crankshaft. The energy of motion from the crankshaft is converted into electricity, creating a renewable energy source. If you would like more detailed information, request a copy of the MECREGEN system white paper. For more information, go to our website www.mecregen.com. We can be contacted at info@mecregen.com. Thank you for your time.